Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to say the big thank to Mr. Man in Malaysia. He have taken our blade, the original blade from Aceh, Sikin Panyang, or we call this is long knife, brother. And this we make from wood, horn of buffalo and iron. This blade, the people of Aceh, they are using at close range or one by one, and this we call tempang jingki. Yes, why we call tempang jingki? Because you have something we can put in this, and this very beautiful blade and traditional blade, because we make from iron until ready with our hand, not something modern. To all people in Aceh or Indonesia, if you want this blade, original blade from Aceh, you can message me in WhatsApp, Instagram, or everything my social media. I hope to people of Aceh in Indonesia or from other country to keep our blade, the original blade from Aceh, Sikin Panyang. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.